So you might have seen this SIM card like chip in the ATM card. So I have decided to use this ATM chip as a SIM card. I have already removed this chip from the ATM card while this card is still active. So now I will place this chip into this SIM card cover. It got the same design on the SIM card and this ATM chip, so the contact will touch the same parts of this ATM chip. The chip is a bit loose, so I will stick it to its place. Now I will place it into the SIM card tray. Put the battery and switch on the mobile. Well, it's not showing any signal, so it's not made to be used as a SIM card.